going on, everybody? I'm back on the Copahee Sound. Anchored up about 1.5 miles inland. Rising tide, have about 3.5, 4 hours until high tide. Plan on riding the whole thing out, see what happens. Got a ton of good bait, caught a lot of shrimp, caught a lot of finger mullet. I'm gonna run 3 rods, 2 bottom rigs with the finger mullet primarily, and then a float rig with primarily the shrimp. Feeling pretty good. Last time I was here, I was a little bit closer in. I was looking at the map and found this spot where multiple creeks fork off, and it's a little bit higher up in the creek than the previous spot I was at. I did really well there, caught 5 or 6 trout. Feeling good. I want to get some red, some trout, maybe a flounder, but those are my main targets. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. It's super hot, and I just want to start fishing. All right, thanks for watching, and wish me luck. Oh, shoot. All right, first trout of the day, 13.5 inches, so he's going back. Another trout. No. Another underslot 13-inch trout. All right, little bluefish. I'll probably keep him as a shark bait. Woohoo. Got myself a little shark here. A little sharp nose. Woo. Didn't count on this guy showing up, huh? Nice little shark. Woo. Oh, that's another shark. No doubt about that. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one down. And I'll put my phone away. That has to be a shark. Either that or a huge red. But after catching that one just a second ago, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's a shark. Wow. It took off on me too. Come on, don't go up there. Haven't seen a fin yet. Could be a red. Oh no. It's a shark. Pretty good one too. Or is it just a big ladyfish? Might be a big ladyfish. Yeah, it's just a ladyfish. Huh. Wow. They really do fight hard, huh? Whew. Wow. That's a big ladyfish. Whew. Nice huge ladyfish. Alright, well, you're going in the shark bait cooler. Sorry, Chief. Big old whiting. Alright, well I had a pretty good day. Got on a good number of fish, a whole variety of fish really. Got a good sized sharp-nosed shark, got a big ladyfish, which fought like hell. Got a few trout just under slot, which really stunk. One trout that might have been slot, but got away. Good sized whiting, I'm sure other stuff I'm forgetting, but it was a good day. No redfish this time, unfortunately, but that's alright. I don't have the best luck with them, so I'm doing what I can. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. It's hot and I'm hungry. Bye.